If we talk about the most desirable left backs in Europe right now, Theo Hernandez will probably top the list for everyone. The young Frenchman has made a name for himself at a resurgent AC Milan. But the Rossoneri left back has a lot more to him than we know. And today at Soccerspective, we are doing a player profile on probably the next great left back in the world of football. You don't have to go too deep to find out where Theo gets his footballing talent from. Younger brother of Bayern left back Lucas Hernandez and son of Jon Francois Hernandez, Theo has picked all the right traits from his elder brother and father. The Rossoneri left back was born in Marseille when his father was fighting it out with Olympique de Marseille in the French second division. When Marseille did earn promotion from their corruption imposed relegation, Theo's father was downgraded to the B team. The family moved to Madrid as Jon Francois stepped into the twilight of his career to play for a struggling Atletico Madrid. Theo's father soon left the family for a Spanish actress and never came back. This played on the minds of both the young boys who have struggled with issues ever since. Theo joined Rayo Majadahonda Youth Academy when he was about 7 years old. 20 minutes away from Madrid, his mother drove him and his brother back and forth to practice every day. Both the boys soon earned a scholarship from the club, so their struggling finances didn't pull them away from the game. At the age of 10, Theo Hernandez earned a trial at the Atletico Madrid Academy and he did enough to earn a place there. Over the years, Theo developed into a pacey left back who made inverting attacking runs when given an opportunity. This gave Theo enough leverage to race through the Atletico youth system into the first team in July 2016. But Theo didn't get an opportunity to make his debut at the club as he was loaned out to Deportivo Alaves in August of the same year. Theo got game time at Deportivo, which was enough for the world to notice him. In 38 starts for the club, he scored 2 goals and made 4 assists, impressive for a young left back. When he came back to Atletico after a year away, Real Madrid were quick to swoop in by meeting his 24 million release clause. Thus, Theo became among a select few to move between the two Madrid clubs. At Real Madrid, the competition was aplenty for the starting spot. With Marcelo at the club, there was no chance for Theo to get satisfactory game time. After 23 games for the Los Blancos, which involved a Champions League winners' medal, Theo was loaned out to Real Sociedad. Theo's career changed for the good when Stefano Pioli and Milan came calling in the summer of 2019. The young Frenchman has excelled under Pioli to a fast and aggressive left back role. Pioli's long ball playing Milan side has suited Hernandez as good as he would have imagined. Theo is an equal contributor in attack and defense alike. He has scored 12 goals with an impressive 11 assists in his Milan career so far. His solid and towering physique has made it all the more easier for him to breeze past the opposition from the left. But Theo's strength also contributes a lot to his weakness. Often caught up in the attack, Hernandez leaves a lot of space for the opposition to construct a move from his flank. In Pioli's 4-3-2-1 system, the absence of a first-team player in the double pivot in front of the defense can cause serious damage when Hernandez is out of position. Clubs like Atalanta and Inter have exploited this vulnerability of the Rossoneri this season. In the same vein, Hernandez is comfortable and at times a deadly piece of Pioli's 3-5-2 puzzle where he plays in a wing-back position. The young defender is more comfortable in a wing-back role than in a left-back role. Theo Hernandez is a decently experienced player at the pinnacle of football at an extremely young age. For him, the only way will be up when he develops around different styles of play and under different managers in the future. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to Soccerspective and check out our other videos. Thank you for watching.